Alright, this is called Don't Shout Together. It looks like it's the same map as Don't Scream and Silent Breath. Yeah, it seems like it's the same map. Maybe a little bit different because that wasn't there. Oh yeah, that wasn't there. And the plane crash looks different. So the map's a little different, alright. It shouldn't scare me much because I'm so used to these games now. If you scream, you and your entire team will die. So it's basically, this game is basically Don't Scream and Silent Breath, but multiplayer. If you scream, you and your entire team will die. You need to leave the dangerous forest before the timer runs out by either assembling a car or calling the police. If the set timer expires, the entire team will perish. Time progresses when you move. Don't make the team wait for you. Oh, it's about to get dark. We only have to survive 10 minutes on hard, chat. Only 10 minutes. We got this. What is that? Found the wheel, but I don't know where the car is. So there's no point in grabbing the wheel, you know? Excuse me, sir? Let me up. I gotta jump? It's not polished. Yo, hear those footsteps? What is it? Shut up! God dang it! Shut up, frog. Shut up before I step on you. I'll lop your head off at that. Can I really step in this? Should I do it? I can set a bear trap? For whom? I can set bear trap? Wait, how do I get my inventory? Here we go, here we go. Yo, stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Oh. Expected all of that now. I wasn't expecting all of that. Buddy, what? Alright, hold on. This game might be good, y'all. This game might be good. We gonna give it some time. We gonna give it some time. I know that. Alright, I really have to try not to scream, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna scream. What I'm really worried about is my chair making too much noise. I like to play victim. Y'all be jumping me. I am a victim. I'm not. That was loud. I'm not playing anything. Alright, let's do a chat. What's this? Phone. We got the phone. If that little girl can just kill me. Oh, did I die because she killed me or did I die because I screamed? What's this? It's just a deer. I'm going to die. Why are you? Relax, buddy. I don't want that. Got a naked. It sounds like a demon up there. Sounds like a couple demons up there. You right. Why I got the door open? Why I got the door open? Get everything out of here? Like, do I need anything? Oh, he's back there. Oh, he's walking. Please, please, Jen. Brother, close your mouth. Why your bottom lip built like that? You think he'll kill me if I let him touch me? Will he disappear? Look at his fingers. Look at his fingers. Why your fingies look like that? I can't even copy it. Are you gonna camp me? Did I just open the door? I just open the door? That's why we can heal. He was camping. Camper. You get no respect for that, buddy. Gotta come harder. What's that? Oh, it's another building. Something to it. No, little girl. No, little girl. Please, no. 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 I'm not gonna freak out. Where's that light? Now that sounded scary. Are you trying to sniff me? Ew. They got that boy locked up for aggressive sniffing. Can't be that bad now. You're being dramatic. Oh, they're gonna kill me with him. It's not even, it's like, alright, he's gonna kill me. That's bullcrap. I'm hearing footsteps out there. That sounds big. Nobody's coming in here, so that's good. Alright, oh no, let's go to the back. My spinal cord hurts. Stay away. Stay away. Stay. No, no, no. I'm surrounded. I'm surrounded. What could that possibly be? I'm lost. Just run. Just run. Just run. They have me surrounded. Monkey's still with me. Bro, if I play this another 20 minutes, this game might break this chair single-handedly, y'all. I was out of there. I was out of there, bro. I feel it breaking already. I'm already breaking the chair, chat. Already. Man, shut up. I'm already dead. Oh. My God. Let me stop. Look at that all the way over there. She's gonna fly at the screen. Watch. Edna. Oh, Lady Edna. Oh, Lady Edna. Why are you dressed like you from the 1700s? Why are you breathing like that? Are you okay? You got it. Have a good day. Oh my God. Bro, it was just standing there and it was the back of its neck just. His neck. The back of his neck scared me, dog. Why? Why did it scare me? But he was zooming. But he was zooming. Oh, that little piggy gone like that. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm losing my mind. Let's go this way. Oh my God! I'm about to turn the sound off, y'all. I'm about to turn the sound off. I'm about to turn the sound off. All right, I'm gonna try again. Let me stop laughing. Stop. We got chest day tomorrow? All right, bet, ready? Bet that. I need me a gym buddy. I don't have him. It used to be my dad. Oh my God, one summer. Yo, 1 year, me and my dad got swole together. That was such a good time. Y'all never saw me when I was swole. You'll see it again while it's coming. Couldn't be me, girl. Who's this? This your cousin? There's a motel all the way to the left, a military base, a phone booth, amusement park, the farm. I think we went to industrial factory and the market. Let's go straight. The market and the industrial factory. Let's go to the market and the industrial factory. I'm him. You gotta come better than that. I wasn't even scared at all. It was just a random jump scare. You gotta build up the environment, you know? Wait, I think we've been here already. Yeah, this is this one. I don't want to check that again. Let's go somewhere else. I was really scared of that deer neck, though. It was the back of the deer neck. And I lost the game. God, Goofy. Something didn't sound right. Now it's getting scary. Now it's getting scary, okay. The heck was that? Don't rely only on jump scares, dog. We need some really, really creepy monsters to, you know, walk right up on us, you know? Almost took off running. I almost ran through the PC and through the freaking wall like the Kool-Aid man. I kid you not, chat. It's the little girl. She's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me. I don't have enough health. I don't have enough health. Oh, she's gone. I'm still gonna go this way. That's scary. 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 That's how you build it up. Oh yeah. See? See? Now I'm scared. I'm expecting it to be the same jump scare as the other ones. What's going on in there, man? Did I just hear Buddy get cut up into pieces? That's about to be you, monkey. Expect a jump scare. For real? Dirty. That's some dirty monsters. Should be a jump scare in this door. We knew that was coming. Bro just dookied on my back. I'm not about to take that. Farted on my neck is crazy. And I hippo. Thanks for stepping by. I need a health pack. Health pack. Here he comes skipping up the... We gotta use this. We gotta use this quick. Yes, we healed up. We healed up. So now he can get... Can we go up here? Oh, let's keep running. Oh my god, he's stalking me. Alright, don't... Don't look at me like that! Every map without dying. Is this something that we need? Walkie-talkie. I don't want that. Military base? Military base? Yo, military base or... Buddy, it's the middle of the day. Why are you screaming? Military base or motel, y'all? What y'all think? I'm thinking military base. Yeah, let's go to military base. Cemetery is crazy talk. See, how good would it have been if when I turned around just now, there was a monster standing behind me? You know? The pressure isn't enough, especially for 4 players. This is on the hard setting, too. Okay, oh, those are all the places I've been. Oh, it's now giving me the locations of the car parts. It's helping me out now. Alright, where have we been though? We haven't been to the amusement park. Huh? Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, they're still working on this game. I forgot that part. Put it on. Let's put it on. Let's change the mic so I can't die from screaming so that we can make more progress. Alright, sweet. Yo! Yo, yo, yo! Alright, cool. Alright, so we can't die from that anymore because this is taking forever to get through this game. And I want to explore, you feel me, chat? Yeah, 10 minutes. I got it set to hard. I thought it would make the monsters harder. It turns out it just gives you a shorter amount of time. So you can't even work hard. I mean, it only lets you go at such, you know, at a set pace, so. Alright, we can sprint now. You just got less time. I don't know. I don't like that. The hard mode should mean triple the entities, you know? Alright, so they need more entities in this. A lot more. I'm sure they'll probably change the figures. They did. I saw something about the figures. I didn't really read it. But that dude is probably just a placeholder. He is a little overused. And I would like to see different styles of scares. Like Don't Breathe. Like, come with something a little more unique. Like with Don't Breathe, the way they were following us when the dude was like right up in my face. I mean, with Silent Breath, not Don't Breathe, Silent Breath. Yeah, see, he's overused. But yeah, Silent Breath, that's what I was talking about. The way that monster was like looking me right in my face. What's up, Mariah? 3 hours and 25 minutes. I have been live. So good to see you again. Look at this. What is this running up on me? New game if I die? Absolutely not. Alright, we've already been here, so I don't care to go there. Let's explore something new. Sir, please go up the hill because something's chasing me. Please go up the hill, something's chasing us. Bro, go away! All that stomping. Ew! All that heavy walking for what? If that dude comes at us again, he's gonna kill us because I don't have a health pack. I don't know where I'm going. I just want to wander until we run into something. What's this? Oh, it's telling me I can't go that way by dimming my light. Okay. That's different from the other games. I like that. Oh my god. See, like if that was used as a deflection, like if I turned around to watch that thing approach me and it didn't come and then I turned back around and it was right behind me, or like it flew at me out of the trees or something, that would be fire. Ooh. We just out here in the wilderness. Oh, please, please. Good God. Yeah. The entity level kind of feels like that of... Oh, she's floating this time. Oh. Oh, okay. So last time you was just tweaking out. Okay, lady. Buddy, you've been screaming for a half hour. Are you really in danger, or are you just a boy who cried wolf? I could have swore I saw something behind me. What is that? His bodies? Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. About to get run up on. About to get run up on. About to get run up on. Ouch! I pulled something in my pelvis, a pelvic muscle. Yeah, it was cool, but it was random. Yeah, now we're about to die because he's about to run up on us and kill us, and we haven't even really seen much. Two of them. We're about to get jump scared. What is that? Go, 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 go. Alright, girl, nobody cares for real. If I'm being real with you, we don't care. We don't care. We do not care. Alright, so we found the car. What is that over there? Don't do that. Ew. Oh. Cut it out. 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 We've never made it here. Let's go explore. Okay. Oh my god, is it getting closer? I'm starting to get chills. It's working. What is that? Can I go under here? Why? Why can't I? I can't go under there. That's misleading. Oh my god, is she just like floating out there? Look at it, she shut up after he showed up. She was like, oh my god, this guy again. He just keeps screaming. Excellent place for some jump scares. Oh. Mostly sounds, not a lot of entity. Okay. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. What y'all think about this game? It reminds me more of Don't Scream than Silent Breath. Silent Breath was like the pinnacle of these games. But I can't outrun it. But like, I didn't know what it was at first. Once it got that close, I started running. That was me running. When you saw me at the end when I turned around, that was the run speed. Yeah, it could be scarier. They could do better. They could do better. What I like is that their map is different. I like their map is different. It feels the same, but it's different. And I appreciate that. Not enough, the variety of entities and not enough variety of entities. I want to say they're not unique enough. It still feels like Silent Breath and Don't Scream. And different kinds of scares, you know? Like, there hasn't been something following me. I haven't turned around and saw something like right there, except for that freak, the back of that deer's neck. What's up, Leisha? Yes, indeed, Leisha. But we're gonna end soon, probably. Be real with you. Say something. Say something. Say something. Little girl. Yeah, let me just run now, because I'm gonna regret it if I don't, right? Just stop playing. Stop playing so much. Don't be a dummy. Don't be a dummy. You know, she can have that tire. She can have that tire wheel. I don't care. That sounds horrifying. Wow. That was scary, y'all. That sound is really, really good. Oh my god, the fact that I can still hear it. Something's coming, something's coming, something's coming, something's coming, something's coming. Oh my god, what is that? You got it, you got it, you got it. I'm going, I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, also, I love that little fast whispering that they added. That's different from the other games, too. I can't even make it around this building. Oh, God, something's with me. Dang, see, like, that's such a good opportunity to scare me. I had chills all down my body. Motel. We at the hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. We at a motel. I know y'all recognize this motel from that game we played. What is that? Buddy is clapped up. Dang, and the dumpster is crazy. Couldn't be me, bozo. Okay. Y'all recognize this? We would be in the back of this van and we explored the whole motel. Y'all recognize it? From the other game? Dang, they destroyed y'all up in here. Let's explore the outside first. Oh no, she got it over there. Absolutely not. Oh yeah, I'm gonna set this bear trap. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and set that. I don't know how to use it. Can I open this? Is it gonna be a jump scare? Is she getting closer? Oh no! Loud for nothing. You just screeched in my ear like a banshee. For what? Why are you growling? All that for nothing. Dramatic. I should have closed the door in your face. What were you even crying for? No reason, right? Of course. Ah, my head hurts. What was bloody in here? For those of you, never mind. Do y'all remember the motel game now? Now that you see these rooms? What up, Toth? Oh my god, here she comes again. Lady, I do not care about your tears. Those are crocodile tears. You're locked out. You don't know how to work a door. Look at. What do I do? I'm trapped. Oh my god, she's still here. She wants to hurt me so bad. Oh my god, what? Alright, let me try to hide in here. Imagine she grabbed me through the wall, no clip. Let me try to hide here until she's gone. That sounds large. And in charge! Large and in charge! Oh, it's just a thunderstorm. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Make it rain. Lady, please. You refuse to give up. Oh my god, you want me so bad. Here. Give me a hug. A warm embrace. About to make me deaf for what? Okay, she must run this. She must rule this motel. Alright, let's grab these. Again? Are you serious? It's time to go. Let's get off our property because what is this bull crap? What in tarnation, lady? God dang, can't nobody do nothing. Oh, let me get that. We got a med kit. Can't nobody do nothing up in here. I mean nothing. Yep. Think I'm about done with this here game, chat. It's alright. It's alright. And it has potential to be something. That is for sure. It has potential. Look, something's running to my left, but it's not going to touch me. It touched me. It touched me. Ooh, what's this? Wait, is that the... middle bottom chest? Let's say upper, because I cannot get my upper chest to grow. Never have been able to. Ew. Okay! Ew! What? Oh my god, bro. Clear your throat. My gosh. Oh, disgusting. Disgusting. Ooh, we see light.
It's not funny, it's not funny.
Why did he laugh like that? Yo, this game is just so much random screaming. Just shouting. Word is born. Bro, that Swappo is too funny. That there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you die if you don't reach the time. Alright, Monkey, we did good today. Give me a hug. Alright, y'all. We off this. Monkey standing big body, chat. Look at Monkey. Look at Monkey. Bro standing big body. Look. Okay. Alright, y'all. Love y'all very much. If you're new, go hit the follow button. I promise you're gonna love it here. We do this all the time. Yeah, thank you very much for being here with me. Bye, everybody. Good night. Mwah!